Welcome to Chapter 12, Lesson 2 of Metric Measurement. This is metric units of capacity. So, the amount of liquid a container can hold is its capacity. The liter, abbreviated with an L, and milliliter, abbreviated with an ML, are units of measurement for capacity in the metric system. So they've given you a couple of visuals. They've given you a liter bottle. A bottle this size can hold about a liter, and we've all had those 2-liter bottles of soda in our fridge, okay? So those are a little bit extra big, okay? But it does give you sort of a bit of a size comparison. And then milliliter, or mLs, an eyedropper holds about 1 milliliter. So from here to here is about 1 milliliter. They're not talking about just one drop from the eyedropper. They're talking about the eyedropper holds about 1 milliliter. So let's look at our first example. Decide whether 300 milliliters or 300 liters, so 300 of these or 300 of these, is the more reasonable estimate for the capacity of the mug. So we've got some tea or something in our mug, okay? Do we think that 300 of those will fit into the mug or 300 of those? Okay, so hopefully you're thinking that 300 of the green bottles are going to be way too big, so this seems a bit more like it. So 300 mLs is the more reasonable estimate. Let's look at our second example. Decide whether 600 milliliters or 600 liters is the more reasonable estimate for the capacity of this little play pool. Okay? The pool is a large object, so 600 of our tiny little eyedroppers is probably really too small. So 600 liters is the more reasonable estimate. Okay, happy measuring.